if I fall, you giggled.
What they worry this car now within my front now? Move now.
You can't move.
Ma muove ti però.
No, che.
Ma che me ne frega?
Vigilante. Io anche non è.
Yeah, uno non muove, but don't move.
Vigilante.
One of our police.
Oh, that's again, yeah. Bye. Allô? Allô? Approche-moi. Il va où? On s'en va. Imagine me no robo na mas não direi. Eu já checkei o WhatsApp lá, the conversation. Let's make that for long. Don't be shocked at the you are valuing. And I'm blocking down. I'm blocking down. What are we going to package this? You're a mommy. You're not a mommy. Oh yeah, it's not what you are young. They don't want to see what goes on. They don't want to see where they do. You let me know as a young. Come here, Umenwan, all the young. You come here, Umenwan, all the young. How did you see one? Mommy, the boy, and all that's your All right, guys. Share this video, guys. Share the damn nigga fucking video, guys. Let's go there. Video. Otigbogbo.
Omg, quando il mondo è succato faccio e lui uguale. Come Zara. Olivier is a dangerous human being. And Olivier brothers and sisters are against his wife too. Olivier cover put his wife and children for their family house. Today, they talk say they never pay us rent.
When are they giving love and like?
Which aspect where you go put your wife and children, where you put from down? That is what his wife told me. His wife say he wants to cry to Yore. Whether Yore come upon and no lie. Yore come say go call Olivier.
Wait, am I dreaming? Is he Enogie that is talking? I'm sure I Enogie. Bless I'm letting one hear the voice. Now Enogie voice now hear just now. No be Enogie talk just now. The Bible now tell me now Enogie they talk so. Bless not hear the voice. We move play the voice again. I no be Enogie be this one.
Whether you come upon and no lie. You come say go call Olivier.
No be with the talking.
When they stab Olivier for Bella for Monique. Because of that stab, when they stab Olivier. The government paid Olivier 20 million naira because of his health issue. All of
23,000 euro.
Sorry, 20,000 euro. Say 20 million naira. Sorry. When they pay 20,000 euros,
When I know what
come Germany, Olivier give no arrest 2,000 euro.
Wait. Not be Enogie they talk so. No, I don't believe. No, make me understand. Now I will they talk so. Now I will the saga Olivier so. I will the saga Abraham. Not be able to talk so. But when I put out when I write about conversation, I will they talk so. I don't understand. When I make me understand. Now I will they talk so. We. I say yes. Also they by court. Now they talk so. Also they by court. Young one. Hey God. A king is always a king. I will forever remain the king. I'll always add as a king. You know what I'm saying? Otigbogbo. And not get the saga Olivier. No, I don't understand. Why? Oh, okay. You see, because of Umenwan, because of hatred when I get for me, when I go to do what you're not supposed to do. When I go see what you're not wrong for, you get to criticize it at that time. Make that person for tell learn. When I go support what's not good. When I go make people do what's not good. Make people look as if what they do is right, when they do the wrong thing. Then now, you come and call the saga Olivier. Like seriously, bro. I don't understand. I don't get on. Because this same Olivier, when he entered, when they deport him, I was the first person that called Olivier. And I was supposed to do video concerning Olivier, which I love now. Now come up, now use Olivier, make sure say Olivier, hey, Alpha, no one raise money for this guy. They give this guy without money, that's time. This guy a bad person. Olivia a bad person. I said, I'm gonna not give this guy money. But at the end of the day, you all came after me. Bass, when I raise money, give her. Hey, this is not no. So I will give her house. Now today, now Olivia, you the saga soon. Now the same thing when we talk that time. Now you see they talk sooner. Not the same information we tell people to leave. You know me used to be so. Where is my ball? How you doing?
Give her 2,000. Give her my one joint. She's only getting this stress. Let's let her insist. Why they listening? Because then he said, "Oi,
that's not bad. It's celebrate.
For Europe, when I don't give Olivia money, finish."
How you doing?
You never reach 3 months. Olivia don't fall back to Libya. Olivia don't spend 6 months after that money. Olivier don't shove that money. At the end of the day, Olivier can use the rest, fall back to Libya, leaving his wife and children. He never tell for them, the wife don't come in. Tell he said, "Oi, madam, when the wife come in, the wife only ask me for money. As a married woman that she is, and as a traditional man that I am, I cannot give money to a married woman without consulting her husband. Okay. The wife doesn't explain some certain stories to us, so the wife doesn't explain some certain story to me. The wife still tell me that time say he still explain to Iyore, one of Paris, about her Olivier didn't maltreat them to the extent. Olivier can't even accuse and say the cheat. Is that Olivier now can't even want to make his wife swear a new bar. Olivier want to come out from poor man. They use the phone tradition for your wife. We suffer with you for years, all of that. Almost 4 children for you. You did suspect them to the extent you will tell your wife, say, "May you can swear juju." If you want travel, your wife don't know when you will come again. Your wife don't say Libya not be beans. Europe not be safe. If you reach today, tomorrow you.
This place is calling. Hey, Opa sister. My upper sister, my upper in-law. Who does he? I think you run for her. There me go no me or what? He will do man you pay me who? Oh, I just say it way. My red life for TikTok. Worrying what to do. Flight, you better. A private jet, we are copper. Yeah, you papa.
Enogie. Enogie. Adeye o. Wa talk by Enogie. Enogie we for her. Enogie.
Understand the money money as a winner.
I'm 7 1 no jege ogiyan 3 1 no me 7 3 1 wa he
Only me.
yes sir akon salobo wa se lo gbe o compliment of the season.
What?
May I pick up my mom in school?
Oh, you know, when that's when you wear coffee shop. Who are you shop?
Okay.
A bed dog.
Oh, a Kevin or Kevin in Nigeria. Let a boy of vegetarian jagging.
Yeah.
A boy of a caveat in the boy. You know.
Yeah. Gojo.
What? Provision store. Provision store. Que provision ne va pas.
Okay.
Oui, until Papla Joshon. Yeah. After 3 hours.
Ah, so.
Yes. Don't know why you said why we don't know. So don't we all do. When I dig in and okay. No, can we what he I then we are follow up. So okay. Exactly. So what's up? I greet you. What to do? What you want now?
Yeah, I live in Tottenham, you know.
Okay. What?
Tottenham, they will send me, you know, live in Tottenham.
Well, see, thank you very much, man. I appreciate you.
Yes,
All right, man.
All right, so sister. Bye.
The wife not say you cannot be beans. Europe not be say if you reach today, tomorrow you get document. You want use your wife to swear and you are. Because the wife will come follow up with what they happen. Only they stop sending. That's why I say I don't send the wife money. But if I send the wife money, not be wife now they send money. And say your wife will come outside. Or if you wife see this video, your wife will call us, we will send Olivia wife children money for Christmas. Like 500,000. They don't see pass like that. If I send money to Olivia Nigeria account, your wife will shop from inside. On our listen carefully. Because not be wife, they control that account. The reason why Olivia they life and no one come here, you know say why not pick up that drop fast. Drop this mogul. This useless idiot fool. Drop it and I want to come and live stream. Why you think? No, why you coming now? Why you think?
Olivier,
why you think you come now?
Wow.
Oh, you think that fool? Oh, me when no one talks to this way. You think I don't know what I do? I know what I'm doing. Drop him. I don't want to hear anything about him. You should go to his platform and finish the explanation there. But as far as I'm concerned here, Olivier does not need help.
Okay.
And that account, when he bring come aside, he can who they control that account from Nigeria. From now, Olivier will transfer that to Libya.
Okay.
Since Olivier take come on, Olivier wife, he never send that money.
Okay.
Because his wife was where anyone.
Okay.
He not stop for them. Before Olivier embark on this journey, Olivier don't pass Libya 5 times. 5 times. 5 times. 5 times. 5 times. 5 times. Where Olivier the Jamie here?
In fact, my people.
They deport him and children. All the money Olivier receive when they deport him, he's supposed to use and buy something like keke or anything to the hustle. Olivier not one. Olivier relax. After all, money will come. Money will come. Money will come. Olivier chill. When money will finish, Olivier say Nigeria no easy. But on that Nigeria they for bonus. Before we come grow, before we come no see Europe they exist. Before the first come find our way, come Europe. As I be so, may God not let them deport me. I will never ever come to Europe again in my entire life. Even if I want to come, it will be through visa. I will never risk my life because life don't get duplicate. Life at once. If you die today, you are not going to die again. People will cry you today, but from tomorrow, everybody will still go to their daily work. Everything about them, they'll go on. Don't forget you. All the people don't die. Not this them again. No, they are gone forever. The only one life we get so is to get opportunity to get this life. We
So you were hearing all these things.
Some useless.
That's what
Go leave your wife. Somebody should send this video to her. If you want me to help you, voice me. Because I know say your husband never send you money since you enter Libya. We go help you for this platform. You will give us your account.
Children.
Not be that one way you bring come aside. If you say I lie, when I tell Olivier me call your wife. If you call your wife, when I put her for last week and make her hear your voice. They're not in good terms. Olivier is a dangerous human being. Me, when I feel call me very dark man. Okay, saga me. Which saga with that one we be like one do me? Saga me. When no my people, if I continue. When I told Olivier may come, he come, no, he not come. When I begin to expose him, she be climb. Do you know what he wanted to come and do? Not before him to insult me, not to beg. And Lao, no, not the way he reason now. When he says I say me they drop him, move to his live stream. 1 cent, nobody's going to donate for you, it's a promise. Except for the fools. And if you still continue to donate for Olivier, if they insult you, I will try to insult some of them, but certainly not my fans. I don't think my fans will ever do one that I give for them. I know. Because his wife. Wait. Dario, wait. Dario, wait. Wait, just me, you get where I did you. Olivier wife, Mujane.
Okay, no, Papa, no, okay.
Olivier wife, wait. I said, I get a number at that time. Olivier wife, yes. I get a number at that time. I want to look for the audio of Olivier. Yes.
Okay, well, say my brother, God bless you, I appreciate it. Thanks.
Because of changing phone.
All right. I guess now the better start water. The thing is funny, the thing is funny. No why the thing is funny to me. And it's surprising that I know get the saga Olivier so. Right? You see, it is good you always be yourself. Be yourself. No use out of say you hate person. What can they pretend to know for what you not be? What can they from what you not be? This donation we're not going to do, so they do all this thing because of saying one use on pay me. Each because of saying one use on pay me. Each time they tell let it not give the no for this to say I don't do competition with anybody. I not get your time. I don't better pass you. I don't better pass you. Titi. I mean for social media. Who don't pass you for so long. Not for social media. Every night I sack I want something. Don't be alpha now how well. You understand? Nobody come that the way they do nyanga. Your face, all your nose, the red, all your face, the black. I don't know what now. What time I will call you? You understand? This guy, they deport this guy from Germany. That night, I not sleep. Me will go. I want that guy for Germany will not sleep. Olivier hide down codedly. Make nobody hear. See the deporter. Somebody will see Olivier for self flights. Now give me control. And I don't bust and come on media instantly. I started to make control. Alpha, see what in here. We go somewhere like we go put another person for call. When they did the same house, they live together. That person cause they hide down. You get the get people. That person now they let go to understand say, be like say they go party, they're not the house. You understand? See if you come back tomorrow morning, go give him phone. He go tell me call you. The person that go convince me and go finish, come make me look stupid. See, they're not deport this guy. The person come tell us now, the guy they has seen this evening. In the scene when they decided they go party. If they come back tomorrow morning, he go tell me call go. So now go give me a chance and say they're not deported. Now I go say, are you sure? Say yes. Me now ask my man don't really make me know say this information are legit. This information are legit, na confirmation code, no boy. This person will give me this info, not the lie. So they deport this guy. Now, first of all, my mind was like, oh, if they're deported, okay, let's see how we also assist them in our only two way, you know. Instead of follow up, standing ground for Niger. That was my mindset from the beginning. Then, as they break like this bar, now I call the guy, man, Alpha, bro. This information where I care so, I'd be, you know, legit. The guy say legit. You see Olivier one-on-one with flights. They deport Olivier with wife and children. Not me say joke. I say really. He say Olivier the legacy. Just I got to give you information we're not clear. As the guy I told the matter, the thing that's okay. I can't get for assurance. The way the guy constantly give me assurance. The guy swear, he got to Ogi. No, I don't tell you lie. I say really. I say okay, no problem. Now I say first of all, now I call iye-eki toilet. I call toilet for phone. Now come toilet see what now. Toilet is not true. Say the first year, it's not true. Say you somebody talking. Say really? Say yes. Now it's okay. What now go to now? Let me create awareness. Make a bust up for media. If I bust up for media, if now fake news, Olivier go call me. You understand? But now I enter live video. Now I bring Olivier picture come and say Olivier has been deported to Nigeria. As I the kid inside the same car where I did so now the same spot where I did that very day, that be this. The way I day here, so that's why I also sit down here. Put Olivier picture comment like this for Facebook. They talk about Olivier, so Olivier has been deported. Guys. The next thing, my phone ring bangam. Olivier now call. He call me back. Me I do. What's the level I do? Now say, what's the sub? Young we are. More picture like that. What soon you? Now say, I hear say very sorry. I hear say they deport go Nigeria. He say, no my Germany just buy ticket for me so make I go ask me I go enjoy. Me I go drink beer. You understand me? I go still come back. Now I say really. Now then my information come boy. I go say okay. This one confirmation code. Now your in by says switch off a video call. You switch the phone enter video. I hope for like this. You put on video. Say my video. Me want beer with you. Me want you. Go back. As I talk so now live video. The broadcast did my page. You understand? Now currently put out a video. The guy did beer palo for Lagos. And they speak in about the Olivier there with go to bed. He all beer for when they drink the most. And they say, I say, okay, clear. I say, well, anyhow it be, you know, understand? Normal level, I still feel bad. I can't even tell them that video, say, they don't have access to it, and only 2 way. Physical using and support you. Say, no, check it every year, man, every year, everywhere good. You're the cast freak for live video. Person when me come and say, we could see our hotel assistant. The person they tell me say everywhere good, peace, then my brother. Me no you worry, me no stress myself, man, son. Me no you worry, me you man, me you raw, me you dey okay. Oh yeah, pa, but we tell me you dey okay. Me no to me no money me ma dey okay. Oh no Nigeria we you dey okay. Me you can relax me. Now I relax myself. Since you tell me say everything dey okay, peace dey. Me I not stress myself, but that's what bro. The next thing I see for our Jebo platform, Olivier climb up. He go to insult people they say, me manka tien, me na wa mwenye la dian, no no yin ya live video, me manka tien, you know they talk. Abon. He go your platform, he said the same thing. He go Enogie platform, he said the same thing. You know, say if you don't get here by matter, he go want to say na better pass. Oh, na me go want bunye hin. Me na me get my way challenge. My guy, me and you know they do challenge. Your view na your view, your followers na your followers. My own and my own. Who love me, na love me. For the wrong way they do, or for the bad way they do, or for the good way they do. Who love me will definitely love me. I don't need to call the paint myself like say maybe na make good pass. No. I'm just who I am. You can't change me. This is just me. A monster is a monster. You feel me so? The way I just take this stupid people will still love me like this. They love me like this. So I don't feel up because I say, hey, I want to do challenge with you. Like seriously. Nobody say head man, you can't come life. My own head different for your own. If I say this is not good at that time, I go talk am. I'm not talking to use that prepare or that person. No. Now, this guy also say Olivier, you have to say fucking here. I fucking know me like I don't want to do I tell you live video. You are deporting here. If you don't want me family, no. If you don't want me this one, no. You understand? Now, the same Enogie stood up. What is you gonna do? You know the funniest part? The person that gave Enogie what is they call Olivier the highest currency, 1 million naira. The person before he paid that money, he called me. He called me. He asked me. He took permission from me. Okay, send Enogie Olivier, which is ATM machine. Omoregbe called me. Umenwan. A man any deport na day Enogie or use the platform where Rezigune. If you only 1 million, then near. Now say parine. JULIET next stop was a woman from America who called me where he want give Olivier in house for Lagos in apartment, in flat apartment. Make it this. This is not the stay there. American stay. Now I say, Mama not join. My hand not join. Now I say my hand, my leg. See, I can't be out of it. I'm not in support of it. Your own cup of tea from your own mind. Don't put me in. I said it to that woman clearly. She go listen to this video now. Because he might trust Olivier. He's a cultist. You understand? And when the bully boy you want it. So I cannot give her assurance of that kind of a person. The sage wrong. The sage raw bonnet. I don't do that. Anything can happen. Anything negative. Anyway, I call live life. I'm okay with it. That's why I told you when the man so come. Okay, probably if possible, you can support him with a little change, with some money. That was my advice to the woman. We end the issue. Olivier, you know, get for that big. Oh yeah, support Olivier. Support Olivier. People give the big money. I said I will not use my platform to raise money. Olivier not the team iye-eki. See how stupid he is. He called me for back. Come back me, may I use my platform to raise money for him. Mind you, you don't get to use you to raise money now. He forget say the video when they do up and down. The interview when they going to do for this platform for the sort me. I don't watch them. Then they constantly pass back, come beg me so I use my. I say I will not do that. What time where you are okay, you are my way good for your side. Why you come to me now I can't use my money? My platform to raise money for you. I don't do that. I don't feel stressed my fast. If me not give you 1 naira, I'm not going to ask another person to give you 1 naira. It's simple. Before you bring person come and say, make una help me support this person. I have helped. It's bigger than me. And I also ask my audience to also join me to support this person. That's how it works. You understand? For a reasonable person, I want no man here. You get me now? Now, Enogie where Olivier and Enogie was not in a good condition before Olivier was deported. I will explain to everybody. When Enogie with me because you are a stupid person, your brain is telling me you don't have good memory that saves stories and some histories. Now let me talk to you, Enogie. Enogie was having a problem with Olivier when he was in Deutschland. Because first, Olivier awarded me. He gave me an award, the best social media live video presenter 2021. 2021, I won the award from Olivier with beads. You understand? He posted it to me. 2022, Olivier also did an award and I also won the award again. Twice. Now, Eddie Murphy now even send me the award. They do show the show for whether AC and something like that. And I won the award. Then I was not living in Italy. When I was living in Germany, I won the award twice. Olivier sent me an award. Enogie was not angry. Where a Frank Mozo, a juice plus seller, no there. You understand? I would do my word now. Where Frank Victor, juice plus seller, no there. I would do my word now. He was not angry with Olivier. The thing is saga. Olivier and Enogie, the Kodu saga. Olivier was still in Germany. The bass goes not be small. That one slide. You understand? That one slide. Now, Enogie and Olivier and iye-eki don't mugu.
Wow, young boy, my brother, social media king, don't know.
I greet you. I very low at all.
Lamoko. Iwe, today I want to contribute for your video, right? Iwe, since Nave presenter see why you like TikTok, you kwe, epa, a giveaway, donating money for people. Me you understand it. Oh, no mamie ve Enogie. Oh, it's open the live video. I donate no one at deporting. I can deport on money. What's the man win? The person man make you go. Or mighty be one room with Nigeria. Or Koriso one na. Ave good Samaritan, no mami ewe, no mami go ya with documenti, no mami go ya maro who because of documenti, no worry documenti ne, because of sunu Italy una ave go we, Italian woman see the documenti when you pay, you understand? Na ya fe I will give away, I will, you understand, me you understand the opinion we nene social media Olivier noro ege no Olivier ya awa words ni mekata mo Olivier. Ita mena we be. Awards in a makofo. Oh mommy, oh where avielele, let me do it now. Where social media person? Or see me where he? Where we me we a saga. Who share a video me? Who like a video me? But where ya guy awards in name and we saga. Me ma understand the AB. Ebi we avialele ri anywhere nigbe ni we sho avialele mo orun pa no ma mo award out of social media presenters. Ina we bi mese no mo award there Olive I mese no mo award vie. Ebi egbon ni we sho ma ni dey. Awe o yo sula o iya ya fe ne bi magbe ni ya jiro no ma mo award giere na we na we kwen no sensi. E nu do gwalo we doshna di meso wobo. Iya irigon when we are ba oke mo uri ari Nigeria ya diviere. Do ya mo what the name no ma what say me understand. Na ya fe wa pack ya deti talkie on I'm doing giveaway. Anybody way get problem for Nigeria, let come and gather. Gather waiting. Why did they gather for where already full? Why? Enogie na use the parabolate. People where you gather money for, if they use them, they no use them, way no concern you. You don't already put them for their pockets. Not be saying I ask you built for them. Now money you donate for them. So anyhow way they tell like me they use the money. Not be you go tell them what they want use the money to do. And they hear your son where they say he donates money for Olivier. Olivier rich Nigeria now. He all use the money, can't use the rest in Libya. The reason why Enogie is doing this airplane because Enogie knows say one day, I go soon meet her. If I admit Enogie, which person for this Europe will want donate for Enogie? Now the people where they deport now where Enogie they for. Now he go there for Enogie for Nigeria. Here why use the donation with that a patient? Are they a patient what here, man? Why are you fair with social media? Me understand any don't worry your bosh no what do nero ya fe waskata.
Thank you.
Me talk with breed and con social media na saga bring us come. Saga Enogie winner don't offend me. All the lies where he put for my head, he put for my picking head. Na donation want take over am. Na bring your account number, let me donate money for you. Now Enogie want to cover the mess up. The mess where surround them. I they wash you, Ija.
Thank you.
A ferry J, my life social media. I'm still ferry. A saga for 3,000 years, you know.
Hold on. We're good to give one. You understand? Now, Enogie started the saga Olivier. Not be this recent saga I done with her. Why in social media now? Yeah, I hate someone. They will find every minute. If you go settle with their enemy just to fight that person with they hate.
Thank you. God bless you.
That's the situation where Enogie did today. Now, I want to know because the hatred Enogie have some. Hey, Olivier, I'm what did no more. That's not a problem. I what did no man. You go malele. You malele. A bit no man. A bit no. A yago one and over. A bit yago one. It's even not a rebeat. Not a rebeat. A rubber beat.
A bit the valor. I ain't what valor to boy.
So now, see what happened. They now open a group. Agameya was their leader. Old iye-eki one of Germany, was there. Then Domugu of Igbogun Oga Blue was there. Yeah, Ewi was there. Olivier Abraham was there. Ugo General was there. They opened the group. Ugo Wani Nakara. This Ogbomayese, no red depona. Obokan na bie. Omami go ya this year omami go le pepper soup ge wokan hospital. 200,000 ne group ni rie na. Ya uyo bono owokan
200 euro.
200 euro we ya le pepper soup. 200 euro I mean to say we ya le pepper soup ge owokan hospital. Which we did not know. They were doing it secretly because it's a meeting. Yes, all he did. What we say, so near owokan no anu ma gbe. Oni ma got on him. Are you go work no? Only matter where are you 200 euro ni what that be? Very so he ne. What got with the mugu? And the aigbogun with 200 euro. Now are you not that for where? All the one they are confessing man. Osa me say no game where in 200 euro no. E want to learn 200 euro no. But you ya le pepper soup where dey wa. Where dey
Pepper soup not work in front of hospital. Where did they get my pepper buy one year?
Now the whole thing, that's the beginning of the destruction of the zagazaga of that group. To the extent, Agamea face tried to cope, try to manage to swallow the insult, that he couldn't bear it anymore. Enogie have to fall out to Agamea Wesi. Agamea Wesi. Do I insult Agamea Wesi? Mind you, Agamea was the one that bailed Enogie hospital. Where the police station was Zoom 5. Where the mafia police arrest Enogie. The police get Enogie. I tell you, I know my kayak in some. Or by the way, holiday. You have to when you surface to Yegbe. I die. You know, it's my way on this end. Enogie. Hello, and I have Iye is thinking. You understand? So with this thinking and the smelling of your money, I learned the belly. You know,
Guys, power tap your screen.
You don't get to disgrace Agamea social media. Before Agamea was not even angry. Before he go. Okay. Now, all this while, Olivia was in the group. Olivia was trying to be careful.
Thanks for
why he
the
was in the
game.
group. They know get over here. You understand? At the end of the day, the group did not scatter. You know, those scatter group and believe the group is no longer functioning. If you got the group, if you pick toilet, we are the group again. Behold, today now we don't hear nothing about the group again. To the extent, no get yaki you know, they don't have to separate. You know, get Ugo. They don't have to separate. You know, yaki Yaki ebeki. Mami what is around this? Yana muyo. Yana mwe a queen. Yana muyo. Yana like the group. They want pepper so. They no more. Yeah, pepper. May no more. Now they want pepper. They do all manner of shit. Behold, what's you gonna move the Becky as a treasurer? They now donate them the Becky. A Becky now on your body. I know body now the Becky. Oh, I'm not with Becky Koyame. For this social media, all because of what because of Omozwo.
Iya we bros when we get ni aya gather together ya do a meeting they no get ya akie mito boy ni na we Becky ya de ba when a meeting ya ga do we anybody no isaga ya do kuku gbe report the person.
God bless you. That was
you know how many page there fall.
Now, do you know Olivier now who well gidi and not deport Olivier? Mind you, a man now Olivier in equal. You know, Guinea is angry with Olivier. He does saga Olivier, saga of the group. He does saga everybody. Yeah. In saga, including Domugu. Domugu and Enogie they play today, and because of me, just to team up to come saga me. And then I me no na me him. Here see myself. I go journal together. He bully like boy. You understand? Because they don't even know. You might kill me muda. That's to know that the king they all team up for. You might see motor. Even in their presence, that's what they go do this one. That's what they go do this one. Now do marriage.
That's
he rent over. And not get am one ladian. I don't get house. I don't get house address. Today. If I come over, I know. Egbekwa. See that way. I was getting a soladian. Yana vie. The funnest part,
Yeah,
including
well,
also
daddy.
working in a way, Yalaga. You could say, Mommy, I talk, in a became Mommy, I talk, a gomoda, na a class dance, a
Ye God daughter Kaya.
not the ego, got that boy, got that in a big. I didn't, and I get about it. Yeah, here with a vineyard, no, I ain't a vineyard. Boy, I why, or make ya, a cat bolo. Good. In a get a
Yeah,
at the end of the day, do you know where I read the Port Olivier name? And not gonna use that opportunity. Let me prepare for Victor. Let me prepare for Victor. I have done it to Olivier. You know,
hey, I want to wa koko ku we yake deport. Me veti
you
Olivier.
understand?
Na
Because
Olivier.
you Olivier,
Wale
my
no ye
good.
ku.
They were not good time.
Wale do me we no gyori donate go no we. Olivier we yes na want to help me na we really. E
Okay.
ya wa ya help wana. Eti ye do agba
Now,
ye ne help no help na.
God bless you. Today now,
Wala.
I came out and I said, after verifying Olivier, story of Olivier, you know, a man now na we bona, a man now may go. Think I get money. Olivier talking for my life here. Say he get money, they okay. But behold, my people, you know, decided raising fund for this man in a local. A man knows one of you, man. Olivier was saga, man, to talk bar. You know, okay, no problem. After us already, that you are going to bune na bune. Okay, like Billy Biarek bar. It's already so that when you get on here, it ain't no here. Olivier was one done in Libya. Now,
E saga
what
no
I
Olivier saga we ni brosi. E no give we no do saga we.
may understand, all those things we had done. You go in saga, man, no get out of here. And yeah, make a saga be one more bad. You know, get out of here.
Ya watuta.
Now, I was
Ebuku ya
that
kenoro
was
wa
reminding
kwali
you.
kina na saga wo yoduhu.
Now, behold, Enogie now is not sagaring Olivier. How dare you, Enogie? Why go saga Olivier? I'm where you go now. I'm where you use this platform where you raise it from me now. It means you deceive your fans, your so-called gullible fans who have no sense. Because if I didn't you not believe we are going, we believe we not get going, get the go do no. Those animals, when we veje, all support you. I fancy we no more no who are. Unero la you weary, no any biro, way because we want to go well, we are responsible people on this media. Who is all of us that our fans they be. But we have some useless fool inside. When I get happiness, no be 6 children in Germany, no more again.
Yeah.
There are more than of 13 years. No bill every week.
Jesus.
You understand? No red do 247. I go down, could they book bene, could he force it in the web? Any of body Enogie. Any of you go more support Enogie. Because in your young winner, any charge benefit you will give away the Enogie. You understand? Now, you see your life now. I will give Bolivia now. I will leave you give you now. That's not. Olivier Garovi me right now. I don't want to see it because right from time. Yeah, I want to. That's why I suppose it. Right from there, I want to leave you. We say useless man. A tattoo no what there Bolivia. Now Mark is stabino. I tattoo ya cover Mark in Oregbe. Olivier. Igbini not gbina. What Olivier be Jenny? The begamo.
Social media king. Olivier, right from Italy, yeah, I not like it at all, no. When we mark up bano emi wa gbon stabbing and stabbe with Deutschland. We not pese Italy. Mama stabbe ya ma ye knife ya lele gbina. But we not one like it at all, no. We no draw it tattoo yegbe, you know. Olivier.
Okay. Now, Olivier Yokwo. We were Germany. Olivier na wa Olivier wa all the years 7 to 8 years Olivier be with Germany. We hear ya. Olivier or say one bid. Oh yeah, one round. Or say 2 bid. Oh yeah, wait to round. Olivier now have 4 children in Germany maybe. Do you know where there's a man in Germany? So they got money and take the port. Yeah, money so the guy in airport, you know. You know, maybe turn it back to the camp. What's here? Because of what pressure they cool. Because of what pressure they cool. The Germany have a Deutschland. Yeah, if not the position camp in Yamoy or what pressure they cool. You know, they back to camp again. Edgar Yare Deutschland today. You understand? I mean, we would have Baby cool. And I deported straight to Ekaro.
The reason why man win on ya. Be man win on ya.
Now, behold, my lovely people. I believe we AB already Libya on winner. What's your one winner with Deutschland? 18 young winner with Libya. You meant young winner with Deutschland. And in Libya, Logos, in Libya. Oh God. Now, no, not work for Libya. Now, no, as Libya will be. This kind of time, so people say they should go grand. Should go grand. They can should go grand. Or in a garage. Or a garage, they do. A garage. Or a should go grand. With Libya. A garage never work as a Mudiayi. Ave Lebra, Mudiayi. Anybody will hear me a Lebra. Or a garage. Are you get up garage? Was so good. A bossy one. Or ya Muna. Are you good? Was really good. Really good. But I'm a bossy rock with a hole. A garage is running. Where boys they stay. People they drive, they conquer, they pick them, go they walk. Or it's Shogo Grand in Libya. So if you enter Libya today, you want to walk. If you go Shogo Grand, you stand there. You see Arab will come, fume. It will tell me come tally. Go so go meet your friend say, Shogo, go say see, go to me enter. You go enter, you go the size. Wow, I'm gonna follow you go your boy. So only the team will never Libya when now. So you are doing I don't know toothpick. We are Libya now. If you have a Libya. Et bien no cover e face ne belike oye mwe now so in metina nguna Libya na o ma ti yeti ni mu na webo no ya bi
guys
bebe
make una power tapi power sharp eri go walao
no ya bi bebe now Enogie wi Enogie so ho Enogie de iye-eki na me palace Enogie ne work according to his name. Non, don't you go Olivier. Or il est Olivier now. There you have plan against me. Who are you do why are hoy? Who are you who are been a billy bua? Wa billy bua. Ya rema ya gie. Take any young with beer. Okay, young with beer.
Well, why are you my brother? Near when you are work on I do punishing.
Just now.
Let's follow her.
Not you big no.
When I read this social when guale happy, umalo be umenwan. Uwo boba, I will boom menwan, a be la. Or what can a be? Oh, Mr. Navy Nigeria. Yeah, when we go yani amuje be a country.
Imazuo. And I'm going to be
Imazuo. Be so why be where ya? Why they go over? We po stay Nigeria. Do business. Have you let Nigeria man stage, you know? Hey, yet to stay in Nigeria, you see?
Hello.
Me make la Libya de Charlotte. Libya we Kenya ni a vessel anori. Nine. God forbid. All the air pay no get with the air na so and they do one done because you know say very soon I go meet them. When they deport them, now una go day for Enogie with that kind. Why can't do I done it zero ne we?
That's all you had. Oh God, I'm having that thing, baby. I swear. You go my way, I go marry na comedy I swear. So, there I go, my sister. Today now, Enogie give it bear a bina. Hey, Sandra, you maybe would to baby agbewu.
Baby, boy, baby. When na when they be no run have zua, you say, if I wait on mommy Enogie, you give me tell no send your account in, no donating any. Or me maybe maybe. Every man saying.
My question now is, can I pay no when you do? A BMW, the white BMW, no have you in Nigeria.
I know. A big affair, why a NVW. Okay, I know ya way programming. Maybe I'm
The
not
BM,
any.
Udere, how stupid and useless
Mona
Niamabi.
muno tia, maybe I'm not
Eh?
working.
Now, you have 4 children that was deported with you to Nigeria, and you have 2 other children, making it 6 good children with you in Nigeria. Let us assume, Orantowa. What is the next thing you're supposed to do? Enogie kino kan. Yeah, tami ya na iya menwa. And
Yeah, work here, you know. Go open store.
ebi con on its own. When
But
ebi con,
young web
it
bros,
didn't
but
do it.
imotoni, me I feel say, omo ye, iyani drive moto yari the money no working. Maybe you're queer way. Cause eti wa here ya.
Now that enogie we can call you ni biakpa. You may everybody wondering.
I consegene no working. Never for no border for no not ye we. We ba okay, we can never one.
Now
Yeah,
we
na
down
ya
here.
explain me.
We down here. Or we ebi we everything here like belly bena. No working here ya very you wa. Ya when you carry. Gume, wow dog we make video from the beginning down here Enogie. When you ya we carry ya do faga carry. Na imi wa gbin. That was our we event. What ebi na wa go ven yen you go anu. I do my Ross is there. You get my point now.
So, imotoni na ebia here ita wetin ye imotoni okay de gbe pari libia. Emi sunu wa gbon sa lo boa.
He's a dangerous
Ja.
human being. And Olivier brothers and sisters are against his wife too. Olivier Coco put his wife and children for their family house. Today, they tell say they never pay us rent. He guy, which aspect where you go put your wife and children, where you put from down, that's what his wife told me. His wife say he wants to cry to Yore, whether Yore come upon and no like. Yore come say go call Olivier. When they stab Olivier for Bella for Monique, because of that stab, when they stab Olivier, the government paid Olivier 20 million naira.
They no get we. Rocky young boy can you say ne? E wa na no get wa tori. E government ma pay me e ma pay. E ke no get wa tori na. E no get wa tori we wa. Accident ni ne okay AB or wo kan or have problem with someone. You understand? So maybe I have savani na no make everything dey okay no more no your wo kan no pa ye wani re ebi na mu duke. So owo ko wani ne owo ke bi ga lele gwini ni ya o da fun ni the baby ya like why exchange wezi me problem owi o yare ya sta baby a government ma pay ma pay ne be because I wetin ya pay honey ya get deported be do you know how much is 20,000 euro? Get deported be yan wasi ai negbe ran no sunwin no make na pay back. What are you telling me? E no get talk the man na.
Only with ya.
Where?
Only with ya.
E no get what talk e bros e no get talk yan mare 20,000
only with ya. You understand?
Yes, when you have a family meno.
From the beginning, I mean, I got the matter no get away. You pay 20,000 euro. You understand? You go in there, every day suing. We go Nicolas now. Every night a lawyer. Where you going supposed to be 73,000 euro.
Hey.
Any year daily. You understand? Where on government or stab it. You been a stab and pay go. Still, every year is suing. And I have value. Every year come on, and I have value. Well, you understand? Got the story now. You know why that was deported. Be what happened in Deutschland. Anyway, go the platform safe. You understand?
Inha ke deported be bro. Se bigari e gezi kishin we wan. Orie execution ore 1 week. I had deported be
When you
arewa.
arrest,
No,
I'm
no.
Germany. Olivier give you arrest 2,000 euros. Only the name of notice me, he give him 2,000 euros.
Okay.
Give him my word join.
Okay.
She's only vetted the distress and arrest never know that person like that they exist. But they listen.
Exactly.
Because they said,
Okay.
After a dog people where God will bless
Okay.
for Europe, when I don't give Olivier money, finish. He never reached 3 months. Olivier don't fall back to Libya. Olivier don't spend one. Olivier don't spend.
That way it also not true too.
This one, I not.
You see how this people say they follow us so for social media so, eh? When me did Germany, that's what they do mad. You understand? The only pass with it, Padama say, get it a low way, get it a low way, get it a low way, a Padama smarty, where you give paper, where you give paper. Since we had to come Italy 2022, I want to we are with Kerry Germany. Hey, my boy.
Yeah, my boy.
You very telling where I pass, so I'm telling you, day. Hey, I give it time. You are your own. Anyone else who that way, won't see where, won't know.
I go where we going.
Even when I play where you bona, they go leave for track. Now they few will still get good hearts. Now I go remember you. Now I go no say this guy they try for us that year. You understand? Madam me na wa na. Umengam. Also nobody gave it to no work. We what they con doctor 2 days I'm here live video see them. Everybody go shift go another channel. You understand? Nobody go say they exist again. Aragba bakara. You get me now? Nene no get win on my neck, but why you play we but why have I go about Nigeria work bum e caro? E why not no get 1 by 2. I give you nya quick na yaw. Yeah, say 1 by 6.
Can't wait to Betty would die eh? Yeah, deported me. They are giving me a pay.
My sister, social media, if you just if it as the hot chopper. You gotta say you wait for tomorrow. Before tomorrow will come, all of them go leave for track 2. Because when we are I gotta do that. My condition here. You understand? Again, why we go sabarita?
Olivier don't spend 6 months after that money.
Okay.
Olivier don't shop that money. At the end of the day, Olivier can use the rest for back to Libya, leaving his wife and children. He never take for them.
Come on, they go work.
Tell me, said, Madam Leon, when the wife come in, the wife come they ask me for money. As a married woman that she is, and as a traditional man that I am, I cannot give money to a married woman.
Oh my glass.
Start consulting her husband. The
Glass
wife
block.
doesn't explain some certain stories to us. So
What's up, baby girl?
the wife doesn't explain some certain story to me. The wife still tell me that time say it's still explain to Yuri, one of Paris, about Olivier to the maltreat them to the extent. Olivier can't even accuse and say cheat. That Olivier now can't even want to make his wife swear a new wife. Please
I agree to Mama.
Olivier will come out from poor man. They just tradition for your wife. For years, almost fortunate for you. It is suspect to the extent you tell your wife say make us swear juju. You want travel, your wife don't know when you will come again. Your wife don't say Libya not be beans. Europe not be say if you reach today, tomorrow you get document. You want your wife to swear and you are. Because your wife will go follow up with what they happen. Olivier stop sending. That's why I say man don't send the wife money. But if you not send the wife money, not be wife not they send money. And say your wife will come outside. Or if your wife see this video, your wife will call us, we go send Olivier wife children money for Christmas. Like 500,000. It must pass like that. If you send money to Olivier Nigeria account, the wife will shop from inside. On my list, let's take careful. Because not be wife, they control that account. The reason why Olivier they life and no one come here, you know say, why not pick up that drop on? Get.
Feroz.
Fast. Drop this mogul. This useless idiot fool. Drop it. I'm not even coming. Why good day? No, why coming out? Why good day? Why do you wake up now? Oh, you think I know people are fool? Oh, we were not you think I don't know what they do? I know what I'm doing. Drop him. I don't want to hear anything about him.
Drop
him. Go to his platform and finish the explanation there. But as far as I'm concerned here, Olivier does not need help. And that start.
When I'm
Come aside.
so what is that?
Girl,
They
you
have
go
to
down
know
and
the
get
way
extra
you
stuff.
laugh about what all the way your account is there.
If Olivier take come on, leave your wife. You never send that money because his wife knows where you are. He not stop for them. Before Olivier embark on this journey, Olivier don't pass Libya 5 times. 5 times. 5 times. 5 times. 5 times. 5 times.
5.
When Olivier take them here, they're deporting your wife and children. All the money Olivier receiving the deport them, you're supposed to use and buy something like a hair or anything.
And then there was a call Jimmy now. Jimmy, what did now?
Olivier not done.
Why they got the kitchen say, you know? By the time. Me what to you? Why you want my salary?
But under Nigeria, they for bonus. Before we go grow, before we go see you, they exist. Before the first come find our way.
Man, why we for how my salary?
They deport me.
You tell us how money going you were every my love.
I saw Mama, why you wear mommy?
How about dinner?
Well, I greet you, mommy. My priest, they say, we day. I greet you, Mama. With the Kevin.
Compliment of the season.
No be small happy Christmas in advance, mommy.
Them to you.
Man, my birthday is coming, no.
Yeah, okay, man. They don't know working.
The other mother were working. We started the new year. My first service.
Now, Kevin.
Wow, what my post eh? I'm like TikTok email on email Facebook share. Happy birthday to Kevin. I'm a small thing.
Thank you.
Kevin done the big go. Kevin way small that day. It's not a big friend.
That's Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you.
Nah, now why we could social media kiki that we sell and learn my brother. Hey, I've heard the saga we want forgive you. Hey, just TV now move movie me ya talo YouTube.
Yeah.
Woman na me YouTube ne no ya move movie me job again.
I don't know.
Also.
Yeah. Now Sweet Mother Gist TV.
Sweet mother. No. You see, now where they do giveaway, una sabi epabi. Who carry job on one near deported from Europe to Nigeria? Now not go ask the person question. The years we spent for Europe, what the user achieve? How many years did they work? They not give a paper, man. They work.
This is my life because life don't get duplicate. Life at once. If you die today, you are not going to die again. People will cry today, but from tomorrow, everybody will still go to their daily work. Everything about them, they'll go to don't forget you. All the people don't die. Not the system again. No, they are gone forever. The only one life we get so is to get opportunity to get this life. In good news, they protect them. Everything lost.
Tap and give my people.
When Olivier, before Olivier people off for Nigeria, Olivier don't swear for. He will say Benin people. They use that word nowhere. He will say Benin people. Benin people. Because of my donate for me, I not talk. Because of my donate for me, I not talk. Sometimes Olivier will even met them. Some use that.
You shut up, you
how much you send this video to her? If you want me to help you, voice me. Because I know say
I made donation one day baby soon nanny.
We go help you for this platform. You go give us your own account.
Yes, they don't know what can leave you away. We boy, you marry a cookie go here, bank in Nigeria.
I tell you, you may call your wife. If you call your wife,
I'm mama, so I'm more than my phone or
they're not in good terms. Olivier is a dangerous human being.
Oh, dangerous human being.
Me, when I feel come very dark man.
Hold down, Sha. One more than we'll move here. Edokpayi before me there. Carry story again.
When I told you he come, no, he not come. When I begin to expose him, she be climb. suck you. I to beg. And Lao, no, not be using now. When he says I say the drop on, move to his left stream. That's it. Nobody's going to do it for you, it's a promise. Except for the fools. And if you still continue to donate for Olivier, I will try to insult some of them, but certainly not my fans. I don't see that fan of ever put money like for them. I know. Because this wife. Wait. Darian, wait. Darian, wait. Wait, just you get where I take you. Olivier wife,
Okay, now, Papa, no, okay.
Olivier wife, wait. That's a girl, I can't remember that time. Yes, I can't remember that time. I want to look for the audio of Olivier. Yes.
When again I was saying na. I be mighty open a live video to boy. No explaining maybe I going not that phone away. And I say we yeah I'm matter that phone again. Yes, the no I say we in Nigeria man I say.
Power tap and share. Let's see if I can bring that from my side.
Power tap and share. No, you look power tap and
Last
share.
time we talk.
Okay, where's my brother?
18th of October. Let me see if I can bring it. Me and my wife talked last 18th October 2024. Wait, let me see. 18th October 2024. 18th of October 2024. 18th of October. 18th of October. Wait, yeah, no. Just have to go take me time. I want to look for the audio. I want to look for the audio and play it to you guys. I recorded that thing. When I don't expose you, I did like that. Stop now. You want to use people head for you with force. Why did you like that now? Stop now.
Now the life where don't get see the live. I mean not understand. You know they advise people. Not the life where you they live.
When they buy for 2,000 now. Come now. You live well for family. For your family has you live your wife and business for family has entered Libya here. Laptop. I know that my laptop can never deceive me. Laptop, all our patient. May I look for the audio? I believe I'm going for her. Make I look for the audio. I will just see why I go to Baba. May I look for her? This boy, I be this man, because don't die boy. What do you think? Of October.
I don't be a one by two.
Wait. If you wife come out, make we help. If you wife come out, I pay. If you wife don't come out, I help. Of October 2024. Okay, 18th of October 2024.
Oggi mi sono data appuntamento con il nuovo Brown Skin Eye Expert, l'epilatore a luce pulsata che dà risultati come dall'estetista, senza andare dall'estetista. Sembra incredibile, eppure da quando lo uso ho la sensazione che la mia pelle sia più liscia e la ricrescita si rallenta. Con il costante utilizzo si possono ottenere fino a 2 anni di pelle liscia. Peraltro, io ho visto i primi risultati dalla prima seduta. Di più, brevettine, liquidi, 2 di precisione che si possono nelle zone più delicate come liquida. Non si sente fastidio perché ha un sensore che
People
Are you good to go? Anti for your guy. Okay, let me give me lingo to lingo. That's the money. Hey, my boy. What are you?
This one, they my people. Okay. Mama, ebagua. Wait.
Enogie.
Okay. Yes.
Enogie one back to.
That's it. You are wasting our time. Agwani, Mr. Harrison.
One back to never win and he had deported work when. Yeah, no net or while we are begging in Nigeria. Quite 3,000 years in here, why are Akobeghian social media?
Enogie one back.
I go so find this thing. Yeah, I go live na. I go so find now.
Bayo.
Hi, yeah, go live.
Wagagmo.
Yeah, go live. If I see him tomorrow, I'll complain. So please.
Yeah, equal my record did not send the since last year. Now you keep paying for after we can play now. Keep paying.
You not concern me. If you leave your leg, you leave the down. Make it beg all the people when you don't offend. Why donating, eh? Nobody
donating. Me pity one if you don't know. Igboma thing. Yeah, Queen Love
with the TikTok.
Queen Love.
You think they escaped Mrs. yesterday? Queen Love. You and Lucky, your friend, sexy baby, can't get issue for somebody platform. When I cut here, go give Queen Love. When you and sexy baby can't get issue, you can't bring my own Queen Love where? Why Jelena? Is that what they get her? Queen Love where?
What? Oh, I like more.
The sexy baby say, I Sagara, you not feel reply me. What were you trying to do yesterday? You are, am I your husband? No. Am I your boyfriend? No. I'm a married man. You are a married woman. According to you, you say you get mad. Are we related by blood? No. Queen Love. You and sexy baby get issue. Why you can't open my own? To the extent that one was supposed to say, you know what? It's short Enogie. somebody they quarrel. You go the poor best way. Go the poor Enogie. They know where we don't hear you. Now, because if me a best they quarrel, I know what they put you. If you get any issue with anybody, face them. Now lucky, not be lucky, will be mumu. Me and Ceci baby will not get issue before. That's why the other day when she play game with somebody, you know we give to her because I don't get shoot sexy baby. Itana. The lucky way I ready because lucky don't insult my wife. Now okay, that's insult. That's why I insult sexy baby.
Keke.
Baby affair. We will believe you. Anybody next time not put my name. My bag we say hello. Who it was? You they call here too. Cause they request Lahore. Because yesterday I not clear that web platform. That's why if not I for clear and tell you say remove my name, come up for your mask. Because now Jabo Saga they do. Saga, they don't stop for Saga make your opponent relax. No. You as I say baby they exchange word yesterday. Omg Umenwan. Lahore will go. The only person who get right to put my name for any word on my wife. Not you, you are not my wife. I've not even met you physically. You really know me yesterday and the thing pay me well. I'll talk about that because you are somebody get issue. Just even when you talk to me, Omg Umenwan, I don't know what you want even try to do yesterday.
Oh, I went to take a permission or book well, okay, they know where you are.
E se ci fosse un altro modo? Un altro modo per
You know, Congo, sir.
un altro modo per
Oh, they will. It be my boy.
You put that Congo.
Okay, they take a permission or book where. We always saga carry no where you pass to.
Olivier, anytime I'll go look for your wife. Your wife, I'll go look for this thing.
I blame Olivier wife, eh? I super go blame you. You be bad woman for Olivier. The years Olivier spent for Europe. On my deport is there where you are here, where Bonana is the deport Olivier. Who done for you to go call him? You're not a good woman to Olivier. You're a bad woman.
Well, I will go. Nobody help
Olivier. To social media. Why you know your Kokuma open the live video by yourself? Abi you know their phone. Phone will have to use. Who has Facebook?
Let us say person call the regulator in Jesus' name. So I beg my people. Now the small thing I feel talk about Olivier and be that one. That's why I feel let her climb my platform because you know they don't she for touch. She's therefore if we go with safe. Now my way money safe. You know we go Europe again. We go live for money. Nobody be beneath person is not beneath person. No problem. Great Enogie lovers, we are priceless. Una go help, and it's not comment. What I help? No. Because only if you cannot even give an account of the money, we will not fit help. Me, I give account of my phone. I lead by example. The money was sent for me for phone. I shop. Okay, I'm not shop. Where not be busy attack on us since yesterday, I'm the first day. Tell that to know somebody who's appreciating. I need that yesterday now. I think you see the die again today. To appreciate you now, in a beggar. Say only say. Olivier was supposed to be loyal and humble. Olivier could insult majority of the people we donate for him. Olivier no insult me that time. But the thing
you know what is social media can. You know what TV say? We they do so.
All the money
we fed they use the children they find money, they beg for social media before. Now happy you know where you go they donate money for them for Nigeria. You see they see small develop for each side. That be the business where we do so.
Confidently rich Libya.
You see what Enogie they talk for yourself. Forget the first Enogie na the person. He's saying the right thing at the wrong time. I will tell you for free. What you not going to talk now, is saying the right thing at the wrong time. This is what I said at the right time. When they talk now at the wrong time. Meaning, when Olivier they insult Benin people, you understand? I came up to attack Olivier. Olivier play me voice record, insult me for voice record, cost me same manner of things. I don't care. I've already spoken the truth. You understand? At that very particular time. You understand? I tell her at that very particular time. Not be now we be say in don't offend you. Now you want to tell her say waiting do that time when they do it paying you, but you don't talk. Because now get when I miss what on the run.
What kind of friend is that?
You understand? You don't talk.
You say you claim say you like him. If they wrong, you know
this is why they not go like me because me as you the hot now they chop on. Maybe when you fuck up in it, I go here to let you say, guy, you the fuck up. If you want my friend, be my friend in a very right way. If you want my enemy, be my enemy. I know as the person they deviate from all my enemy. Not to they pretend to be my friend, whereas you are my enemy. This one my enemy lifestyle. Their character be this one. You know, so this guy they talk that time 3 months or 4 months ago. Say that the thing they pay you, and the wrong thing they talk. But you don't bring a come and make you caution whether indoor or outside. It just be like Atiti. When Atiti they misbehave that time, I'll call her, we'll talk for and say, Ario, say I be, you go say I hear. Tomorrow go see come for live video, go see come to the city. When I talk to the officer, I say no they take. Now live video for call talk to them. Now live broadcast, now for call the letter they know where for the fuck up. Now so it just be. Don't be saying you call me your friend and they misbehave. Me will be live video presenter. If you be my fans, you see say what they do, you don't like her. About tell me. Tell me, you get my number there here. Call me, tell me, say, Umenwan, you don't know now, I'm clear. See, you give me reason. I go seek understanding with you. I don't know it all. Life is a teacher. The more you live, the more you learn. You understand? Don't be saying you, I be the perfect person. Only now you just know everything. No. As they read comments, some of the comments whether they drop, I will go to the comments. I will pick sense from your comments. Whether insult or those who just hate me, especially those fake accounts who just hate me. Especially those who don't have friends, I'm not married. The next day they all come off, they all enter fake account, they all they curse me. Those one they block. All those one that come that they fire their mouths because of what they want from me. It's not with their hand. They will just use hatred. Enter my post. Drop any comments. You understand? You can't be calling somebody say you they help the person they misbehave. You keep quiet. Now when you think that they affect you now you want to call the talking for social media. And that makes sense, bro. I still like the way Olivier take content beat you too. Olivier still saga you now. Yes, sir. Keep it away, body woto. I laugh on her in a cheesy language.
Olivier come bring that the beast in him.
I
don't want to talk about
because of my Victor, you could help him. You they help idiots. See, and I did idiot not insult me.
Olivier now come
idiot.
Olivier said so we donate money, we give this person money.
And I say they do to all of them. Wait, be saying if he friend, if he not get make friend with you they do wrong. He not go talk to you. He go wait till where you wanna go get issue. You go explain to the world wait till you fair do where he no talk to you. That one are nonsense.
On this platform, some ladies go still climb up say no. Don't insult people again for your platform. Don't insult anybody on your platform. You need to beg. You need to try to be humble. You go say, my dad, they go, what did they stop? They're not fit talk again. Olivier, they use force till they beg people for money. When somebody is feeling remorseful, when I leave Olivier for Libya, with his recent condition, the only thing we will do for Olivier, but to carry him back to Nigeria. If Olivier said no, they go, may nobody donate money for him. I swear to God. If you donate money for Olivier today, tomorrow, Olivier will just say, you don't give her any money. Allegedly, some people they put out here say they say 1.5 me donate. Olivier don't use the math. They can't tell me for yes and 2.5 videos day. For Facebook, he claimed then. He said, "Now let me one. Now if you use my mind, donate for and some small money. When I see person I want to donate for again, and some small money, 50 euro, 30 euro, 10 euro, we pass it here. Me, when they raise money for people for donation, I'm not a fool. Now when they bring the money come aside, you know, when he day that bid they do. People, when he give bid, he give me bid. But before Olivier give me bid, he give a lot of people bids. Now let me one remember him.
Okay, call remember him.
But for Olivier to be so rude,
as he give all of them, why you don't come by? You will use mistake they buy. Because you need that for free.
If you listen to what Olivier talk today for live video, you go shed tears. You say what you bought me. Now, in what they use first thing they ask now for money. If you be money, go give Olivier your money. Not be me get on money for now. But for this my platform, nobody is going to donate a dime. Not even the youngest person here on this platform. If person they depressed, now two things. It's either now you make yourself depressed, or now something make you depressed. But for this Olivier, now it costs everything with the drum.
Okay.
Because Chama deported you.
Yeah, we remember this circle.
Loved.
Because very soon I go meet you.
Against you could not stay back to your children.
We know for how many years in Europe? This place where you don't work.
Those arrests where you give 2,000 euros. When they give you 20,000 when somebody stab you. Those arrests they do film back to back. You don't even know that they exist. If you say Benin musicians, Benin artists, they come Europe that time, you do big for us, you can't give them. Everybody neglected you, but Benin people with their abroad, we get good hearts. They follow you there. They donated for you.
Okay. Quick one. A great now better style. Enogie. Thank you very much. This is the way you talk now, the root and the right thing and you talk, but you are saying it at the wrong time. You understand, man? I tell you the truth. You say the right thing at the wrong time. Someone's supposed to talk this thing, and when that thing stop, when we see this guy was sorting the do people. The actual people will use money for them from their hearts. He was sorting there, and you were clapping for him. You understand? You see, I'm saying, you don't reach your body now. Life not turn by turn. You understand? And so this life be. So now let them pay you too much. Now the dog, when you don't train well, now back you. This be so. And so life be. You see my advice to many of now, especially these social media live video presenters. My advice to them, see, if you fed there abroad, if they're abroad, they deport you. All those deportee, they deport you. Use your platform, raise money for yourself. Yes. Sit down on your platform. Tell the whole world your story. Tell them say they deport you. You need their assistance. Do it on your platform. It's very simple. One thing I'm proud of myself, see, I did proud well. I never use my platform raise money for deportee. You understand? I'm not do one. I'm not use my platform raise money for people that deport. Especially with that Germany. My dear, me, I tell you, every year, every month, they deport for each country, including this Italy, we are this so. Both Spain, both America, UK, they deport. You understand? But you have never seen any Italian person come and say, I did Italy, they deport me. I did Spain, they deport me when I help me with money. Now let's Germany,
yeah.
Now Italy here they laugh say people they do shoro, but Germany where they say work day. Now they cry, they come up for media. Work day, they work on
the even if they're not the work, government are paying them.
For here, the highest government they pay now €75 a month.
Okay.
then they pay for camp. You go dey camp for job, you go dey collect 300 something, 350, 320. At the end of the day, they go deport you. The next day, you don't enter live video, they cry. Say you need help. The platform where I build with sincerity, I don't think I'll say because they deport you, call the user and they raise money. I know they do one. If I want my platform, and person we really need the help. People will need the help, not be deportee. So make una the year now. I don't use my platform. They donate money. They raise funds for deportation people.
You where they deport, where is supposed to even they help people for Nigeria. So now you now go come need help for social media.
Enogie, you see what they do now. May God not let bad thing happen to you. You go know that and say what they do so that they don't send you a high service. Okay. Just get the belief you get fans. So maybe bad thing never happen to you. Then you go know whether you get fans or you not get fans. You go mark this word where I talk today. You understand? Maybe bad thing not happen to you.
This year don't pass and next year not go pass away.
I don't pray bad thing happen to you, but you go remember what I talk today.